2026 is just few days away, and some of us are still paying for 2025 Christmas gifts. Stay with me because at the end of this video I am giving you the exact budgeting template that I used to pull myself out of this mess. If your Klarna, Afterpay or Affirm app just pinged you again, take this as your sign to stop the bleed right now. Just imagine you woke up to $1847 in BPL debt. Yep. Even someone who is always budgeting, tracking, and managing their money can fall straight into the holiday trap this year. Today I'm breaking down the 5 traps that can bury you this December. Starting with the one that can hit you the hardest and how to clear everything before January 1st. So 2026 starts with money in your pocket instead of bills in your inbox. Mistake number 1, it's just Christmas. I'll fix it next month. This tiny lie can cost you hundreds. Black Friday and Cyber Week shattered records. Almost $1 billion in BPL in a single day. And you told yourself, it's okay, January me will handle it. Spoiler. January me is tired. Fix to this is a strict 48-hour wait rule. No instant purchases. This alone can save you a lot of money. Mistake number 2, treating BPL like free money. For little payments feel harmless, until you miss one and suddenly, it's 25 to 36% interest. Just imagine you had 9 open balances at once. The fix is, you should open every app and pay the 3 biggest balances in full this morning. The relief will be instant. Seriously, open the app and do it with me. Mistake number 3, ignoring the credit card changes coming in 2026. The $38 billion Visa and MasterCard settlement, if approved, could make swipe fees drop, which may lead to stronger rewards depending on how banks and merchants respond. But you should switch to payment methods and accounts that don't charge interest, fees, or penalties. Mistake number 4, entering the new year with zero emergency cushion. Most people right now have less than 1 month of expenses saved. I was right there with them. My new rule, 25% automation. Whatever I earn, 25% goes straight into a savings. $100 a week may become $10,000 in few years. Mistake number 5, letting every bonus or raise upgrade my lifestyle. New me is like, let's invest. Because $300 a month can potentially grow into a large amount over time, depending on where you invest. Here's what I've already done in the last 48 hours, and you can copy it today. Paid off every BPL balance, set up my 25% automatic transfers, and I made a clean and simple 2026 rich budget template. Please comment if you want the link of the template. If someone who budgets and manages her money every single day can fall for these traps, it is totally okay that you did too. What matters is that we don't repeat them. Comment 2026 and I'll send you the template. Like if you're done with holiday debt, subscribe for weekly money moves that actually work. Let's make 2026 the year we win with money. See you in the next one.